I just forgot about the bird. Why did I just watch the video real quick? Here. I usually watch the video sometimes. Here we go. Say hi now, Grandma, today. Look, another part. And there's the bird. You tweet, tweet, tweet. And if you open this, you'll get a pretty much, she will fly out. You know, she doesn't fly out. We trained her. How did we, Jacqueline? Tweet. She can whistle. Now she wants to try that out.
Please play a game.
Okay, so that's the bird and that's all. If you want to see the fish again,
Sebastian,
I'll show you.
Use up all the battery. Yeah, please.
Okay, hang on. I'm showing you one last time the fish. Okay, there's the fish. Bye. Sorry I had to do this for you guys, but sorry, it's a quick video. Alright, bye. Or, wait. Yeah, goodbye. Oh, wait. Sleepy? There, Sleepy. I didn't zoom in, I just wanted to get a close look. Now I zoomed in. There. Goodbye now. Let's say goodbye, Grandma, now. Would you? Say goodbye. Grandma.
Bye, Sebastian.
Okay. I guess you didn't say goodbye, everyone. And you want to see that picture? It's right up there.